teachers and all my dear friends. Today I, Paras Singh Bishta of class 7B along with my classmates welcomes you to our class assembly. Today we speak about something invisible yet powerful. Something that can shape out our future, our life and even our character. Our thoughts, because you are what you think.
What makes someone a winner? Is it their marks, their looks, their clothes? No, it's their thinking. A person with a strong, kind, and positive mind can overcome anything. If you think you can, you are already halfway there. But if you fill your mind with fear, anger, or doubt, you block your own path. That's why our topic today reminds us you are what you think. Let's listen to our classmates as they each share a thought that can change a life.
Is a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow seeds. So let's choose our thought wisely because they become our destiny.
I think I am strong. I never be broken by failure.
If I think I am kind, my words will become a shelter for others.
If I think I can, even the biggest mountains will seem climbable.
If I think of peace, I wasn't be shaken by storm.
Think with love, I will never be lonely.
If I trust my journey, I will not compare myself to others. I think with patience, I will never lose my way.
Believe I am enough. I won't need to prove anything to anyone.
If I choose positive thoughts, I choose a positive life. If I think before I act, I will build respect and trust. If I think with honesty, I will sleep with peace.
If I think I can help, I will never ignore someone in pain.
Focus on what I have, I will never feel poor.
Think of others, I will become a person people remember.
Believe in change, I will stop waiting and start creating.
If I think kind thoughts, my face will glow with happiness. If I forgive, I free myself from anger. In a better world, I will help create one. If I think small good deeds matter, I will make the world brighter.
I think I am growing every day. I will never stop blooming.
Feed our mind with hope, I will shine no matter what.
I dream big. I will find a reason to wake up excited. My thoughts clean and kind, I will build a beautiful life.
Dear friends, you can't always control what happens around you, but you can always control what happens within you.
If your thoughts are full of anger, fear, or jealousy, you carry pain inside. But if your thoughts are kind, brave, and full of light, you become a person of peace, someone everyone wants to be around. So let's plant good thoughts, water them with kindness, and grow the best version of ourselves.
Because one truth will never change. You are what you think. Now we will end our assembly by joining our hands in prayer to fulfill our heart with hope and our mind with strength.
Every thought in our mind be pure and positive. Let us choose words that heal, not hurt. Give us the strength to rise above fear and self-doubt. Help us believe in goodness in ourselves and in others.
Let our thoughts become action that spread
Love, peace and kindness.
And have a thoughtful, joyful and meaningful day ahead.